Hi guys, welcome back, or welcome if you are new here. For today's video, I am so excited because we have a new launch by MAC Cosmetics. And I am sure you already could tell by the thumbnail, but today we are going to be trying for the first time and swatching the new Love Me liquid lipsticks. And if you guys are not familiar already with like the Love Me lipstick bullets, these are some of the best liquid formulas that I have ever tried. Not only do they come in this cute little packaging with like a little bit of color on them, but they are the most moisturizing, luxurious, like smooth lipstick that you will ever try. If you are someone who likes moisture but not too glossy of a lipstick and really have like a saturated impacted color, very comfortable on the lips, then the Love Me lipstick bullets will be like your fave. So with that being said, MAC has actually came out with a liquid version of the Love Me lipsticks, and I am so excited to try them on. So these guys actually come with some pretty hefty claims, which I'm so excited about. So these are a primer infused 12-hour comfortable moisturizing wear, non-flaking, non-feathering, full coverage, long lasting, oil infused, and the list goes on and on. So it actually has two main ingredients that are kind of in the spotlight, and that would be argan oil and shea butter. So actually, if you guys can see this little arrowhead applicator, it was actually specifically designed so it can detail your cupid's bow. But what's really special about this wand is the flexibility. As you can see, it has 360-degree flexibility, so it's going to move and bend for easy application. So if you're wondering about the price of these guys, they are going to go for $29 Canadian, which is like a couple dollars more than their usual price of around $26 or $27 for a liquid lipstick. But I have a feeling that these guys are going to be totally worth it. And in total, I believe there's probably about 20 shades being launched. I have 11 here for you guys, but also I think the 20 shades are going to be on maccosmetics.ca or .com, but I think there's 17 shades being released in HBC locations. For those of you who don't know, that's Hudson Bay. It's like a Canadian department store. So I have 11 shades to try on for you guys. Keep in mind that I have not tried any of these on my lips yet, so this will be my first time. So without further ado, let's try on some lipstick. Okay, you guys, so that concludes me trying on all 11 shades that I have. And I have to say, these are literally one of the most comfortable, liquid lipsticks that I have ever worn. These are pretty much up there in the totem pole with my Powder Kiss liquid lipstick. Like, these are also super comfortable, but they give like a matte blurred finish. These are like a very creamy satin finish. So these feel incredible on my lips. I just left the last one that I tried on there. It's called Yeah, I'm Fancy. I think this is like a beautiful bright summer color. Another thing that I want to add is that literally when you pull it out and you just have like the one dip, this one dip is plenty to do your whole lips. You don't even have to like dip back in. I'm pretty sure the one dip, it would be enough to cover like your lips 2 times. Like, I'm not even kidding. It goes on so thick, so creamy, so moisturizing that one swipe gives you like complete color payoff. If you are somebody who likes a nice, rich, creamy, non-glossy, full coverage lip color, this is going to be your jam because it is so comfortable. Like, I can't stress that enough. My lips feel so hydrating and so soft. Like, my lips were starting to get a little bit raw as I was taking them like off color by color when I was doing like the lip try-ons, but as soon as I put one on after that, like, all the stinging went away. Complete comfort and moisture. Like, honestly, I can't get over how nice they feel on my lips. So again, these go for $29 Canadian, and just a little reminder that I do only have 11 shades here. There are definitely going to be more launching, and I would literally rate these like 10 out of 10. Like, 100% you are going to absolutely love these. Alright, you guys, so that concludes today's video of my little Love Me liquid lipstick try on. So as always, if you liked today's video, please give it a big thumbs up, and of course, if you want to see more by me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps me out so much, and I appreciate every single one of you guys, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye!